Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about escaping literal quotes in strings. So, what does that mean? Like, when you are defining a string, you must start and end with a single or double quote. What happens when you need a literal quote like this or the single quote inside your string? In JavaScript, you can escape a quote from considering it as an end of string quote by placing a backslash in front of the quote. As you can see here, we have a const data type sample str where we have the string uh, which is included in double quotes. But before that we have a backslash before and after that. What does that mean? It means that this backslash is used to indicate that there is a double quote in our string. This signals to JavaScript that the following quote is not the end of the string but should instead appear inside the string, as you can see here. So if you were to print this to the console, you would get like this. So it's a very important thing. Like there will be many cases where we would be needing to add some code. Like as you can see here, Alan said Peter is learning JavaScript. Like in that case, we'll be needing this kind of applications in our future projects. So what we need to do is that we need to put backslash before and before um, the double quote begins and after the double quote begins. So in this objective we need to use backslash to assign a string mystr variable, so that if you were to print it to the console, you would see I am a double quoted string inside double quotes. Okay, so let us do it. Okay, once again, I am a backslash double quoted backslash double quotes string inside backslash double quote backslash double quote. Okay, I am a double quoted string inside double quote. I hope it works. We have full stop too, so after that we'll put a full stop. Let us run the code. And let us run the test. We have completed this